Welcome everyone to Play Drums the Easy Way. My name is Andre John, and I want to say thanks to all of you, who have been looking at my videos, you have been subscribing, you have been liking, you have been commenting. I really appreciate what you have been doing. And I really truly hope that, what it is I have been showing you, it has been helping you on your drumming journey. And my thing is, learn as much genres of beats, that you would need to learn, all right? Somewhere in the future, we're going to be looking at how we're going to combine beats together, all right? And syncopation and every single thing, all right? There's a taste of that. We're going to be looking at 1, 2, 3. Just looking at syncopation, changing beats and all of that. We're going to be looking at some of that more in the future. All right, but we want to continue on this soca journey. All right, and so we're going to be adding one piece at a time as we, add the building blocks until we can get to where we want to go. All right, so let's go again. So we're going to look at the foundation. All right, and we're going to add on another beat again. So we started here. So I'm going to be giving you two pieces, all right, in this video. So we stopped at all right. So we're going to be adding now one of these drums, all right? Preferably the floor tom. So we're going to be playing. Thank you so much for joining, all right? Thank you so much, all right? Remember what you guys can do. Keep on liking, keep on sharing as we continue this soca journey, or this journey of drumming, right? So again, thank you very much.